Introduce highlight features and quick overview of TaoTronics coffee machine with glass coffee pot filter and timer. Never miss a new clip from our channel. You can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Coffee maker provides up to 12 cups at a time, so you can brew and share delicious hot coffee with family and friends anytime. 1 to 4 Cuban pesos function drips coffee more slowly to increase concentration. You can choose between regular and bold coffee to suit your taste. Before you go to bed, set the coffee maker to brew at a specific time to wake up and enjoy a cup of fresh hot coffee the next morning. Temporarily stops the flow of coffee when you take out the carafe to pour and serve coffee, without making a mess, before brewing is completed. Intuitive touch control panel gives you full control of the coffee machine. An easy-read LCD screen clearly displays the clock and brewing settings. Hot plate with 3 temperature settings keeps freshly brewed coffee at around 167 degrees Fahrenheit, 172 degrees Fahrenheit, or 178 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 hours. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.